Hello, back again with some more information on butcher block. I am working on finishing up refurbishing this end grain butcher block. This is really nice, this block. This is a big one. This is like I believe it's 48 by 25, 4 inches thick. It's a monster. So I'm going through this with various grits of sandpaper, using several. I'm going to show you the finishing one right here. There we go. It's the nice stuff. I like it. This is 400 grit. And I'm going to show you just a quick finishing of this block. If you need butcher block any size, contact the sponsor, as well as all the care products. I'm going to get into great detail here about these, but this is one of my favorites here. This is the mystery oil. It's NSF certified. It's super good. I like it. It's edible, doesn't hurt you. You apply it, you squeeze it on. I'm going to show you that in just a minute. Meanwhile, I'm just finishing up on the fine sanding of this beautiful block. This baby's probably about 40 years old. Extra thick maple edge grain. Maple end grain. Cherry end grain. Yeah, you gotta have that. A couple more things I wanted to go over. It's been glued and clamped and repaired. It's been sanded with many grits, several hours of work. Just finishing up on the final sanding as well as the mineral oil application. For more information, I highly recommend you visit your sponsor, and that is right there. This company here, Chef Depot, has about 50 years experience working with butcher block, all different sizes and styles and thicknesses. If you need a brand new one, that's the place to go. They'll give you free shipping and a discount. Tell them the team sent you there, and with that, I'll be back with more videos. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Oh yeah, it's gonna be good. When you want to see more, share it with your friends. And if you need custom butcher block, counters, tabletops, even this end grain, it's oh so nice to cut on, contact the sponsor. They're having a sale, and I know there's free shipping as well. Yeah, that is the good stuff right there. Thank you for watching the presentation. Wow, it smells so good. I can't wait. Professional cutting boards, chopping blocks, butcher blocks, custom sizes, many styles, all made in the USA. Countertops, walnut, oak, maple, cherry, all sizes. Contact sponsor. Here's my standard right here, and that is this awesome Boost Mystery Oil. Love it. Second one is the board cream. Okay, board cream, good stuff. So you notice they're different. The board cream's a little bit thicker. You actually have to squeeze it pretty good to get it out of the package. And the oil is a little thinner. Your sponsors got them right there. This will be dry within a few minutes or hours. I'll just let it sit overnight and it'll be totally dry by morning. Thanks for watching. Keep cooking. Have a beautiful day. Don't forget to click that little like button right down there so that we know you like the video and you want to see more. Share it with your friends. And if you need custom butcher block, counters, tabletops, even this end grain, it's oh so nice to cut on. Contact the sponsor. They're having a sale and I know there's free shipping as well.